We are in the truck, as you can tell, and I don't know if you can see it through all the dead bugs, Lee, but you can see the different color in the trees.
Starting, still not there.
Yes, it's starting. It's not, still not there, but today is
first day of autumn.
The official first day of autumn here in New Hampshire. Woohoo! So Kevin is going to start using
deodorant.
Thank goodness for that. He's going to start using autumn end slates and stuff like that on YouTube.
Yeah, I've been mostly using rain end slates because it's just been a rainy summer. Rain, rain, and more rain.
Well, tell him about the dam.
Dam. Well, they filled it up with water again.
Well, they didn't. It rained so hard last night.
Well, they had to have closed it, or it would have wouldn't have filled up that way.
Well, of course, but it filled up because it rained extremely hard last night, guys.
Did it?
Yes.
I slept through all that.
Yeah, well, you close the windows. I don't, so I can hear it. It's not cold.
It's cold. Look
Put
at
a
this.
blanket on, all right?
I had a blanket on.
Put an extra blanket on.
I had a blanket.
I'm buying him thermal pajamas to sleep in.
I want electric socks.
Electric socks, electric blanket. He's getting everything, okay? But we're out doing some errands today. Right now we're at Walmart, so we will see you guys in a little bit.
Bye.
Did you make that smell?
Not me. You're the one who's eating eggs.
Oh, gosh, it smells like sulfur.
Alright.
What smells like sulfur? I know rotten eggs. They say the devil smells like sulfur, right?
Brimstone.
Brimstone. Do vampires smell like sulfur? I know werewolves smell like sulfur. What else?
Why would werewolves smell like sulfur?
I don't know. I've heard werewolves smell like sulfur. Didn't they say that in True Blood? Anybody watch True Blood? When a werewolf dies, they smell like sulfur.
Do they sparkle?
No, that's vampires.
I'll smell like garlic when I'm around vampires.
You don't want to become a sparkly vampire, babe?
Yeah.
I was crying sparkles the other day because I ate a sparkly vampire.
I'm not going to touch that one.
So anyway, guys, Kevin and I are having a debate. If you look up in the sky...
Up in the sky.
Up in the sky, we have not seen birds. And Kevin says...
It's because they've already gone south, man.
But you say you haven't seen any since we've moved here.
I haven't seen any birds except for vultures and turkeys.
Yeah, oh, that's true. Remember when the turkeys were crossing the road in front of us? But I've seen some birds, but not recently. So, we're under a debate as to when the birds fly south for the winter. And we're not sure when that is.
I'm sure it'll be this time of year.
You don't think it's a little early?
Maybe, I don't know. It's just, they're going to start leaving when it starts getting chilly. Because they're not crazy enough to sit around in the snow like we are.
Well, you know what they do say about birds.
What do they say about birds?
Birds of a feather flock together.
What does that mean?
Well, it means that people that are alike stick together.
Okay.
Sounds good to me.
So what explains us?
We're alike.
We are?
We both like really Halloween things, and we like most of the same scary movies.
Yeah, you started complaining.
He's picking these stupid movies. Stupid, like, really, like Sharknado-y type movies.
What's wrong with Sharknado? Don't badmouth Sharknado. Those are movies that are worth watching.
How many of you watched the Sharknados? All of the Sharknados. Not just like watched the first one and said this is ridiculous. All of the Sharknados, and actually look forward to the next one coming out.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay, so Val insisted on stopping to get, looks like maple leaves. Oh, that's cheating.
That's too high.
All right. Well, that looked like a good one. You just dropped it. Grab it.
I will, but how am I supposed to reach that?
I don't know. I was going to film it, whether you're going to try it or not. You don't have to climb the tree, dear.
It goes deeper.
Okay.
They're going to think I'm weird.
They already know you're weird. Very nice, dear.
So guys, we bought a refrigerator.
It's going to be fun getting it into the house.
It was fun getting it in the truck. So.
That wasn't that bad.
No, it wasn't. I helped.
Well, that did help a lot.
I used my mighty might muscles.
Your mighty mouse muscles.
Hey now. But the lady was really, really nice. Beautiful house. Absolutely beautiful house. They just moved in, what? How long ago did she say?
4 months.
4 months ago? 5 months ago? Something like that. And they...
Head southwest on New Hampshire.
We missed a turn.
Head southwest on New Hampshire 115 south toward New Hampshire.
We missed a turn.
Southwest on New Hampshire.
We missed a turn.
South toward New Hampshire.
We're turning around.
That's what happens when you're talking so much.
He always blames me.
It's all your fault.
All my fault. All my fault. Anyway, we had a lot in common with the lady. They were very, very nice people. We got a nice fridge. It's back there. That's the back of it. It's white. It's only 3 years old. 3 years old. So, yeah, I'm excited. Kevin says we gotta wait a little while before we can hook it up, mainly because we laid it down. So, yeah. Yep. So, gotta wait. But that's okay. I can wait. Gonna paint my bathroom instead.
You can wait?
Yeah, because we're gonna paint the bathroom instead.
Alright.
You better find me some grub pretty darn quick. Because I am hungry like the wolf.
Oh well. Everything closes down for lunch.
Something's got to be open somewhere.
McDonald's.
I don't even care if it's McDonald's.
Okay.
I'm hungry.
Okay.
Look at my beautiful wild flowers that I picked. We gotta get them home and put them in a little vase. But we are at, what is it called? Gorham House of Pizza. And I ordered a meatball parmesan calzone. Can't wait, it sounds yummy.
Yay.
What'd you get?
Cheeseburger.
So exciting.
I didn't have tacos.
Now this is what I call a calzone. I think I have probably dinner, my midnight snack, and maybe some breakfast here.
Cool.
Oh, I should go get the pigeon mask. So now we're going towards you. Pivot. All right, let's stop for a second.
We have such a hill to go down here.
Tipping?
Yeah.
Okay, you're at the steps.
Uh-huh.
How do we want to do this?
Keep coming. How you doing?
Good. I'm just holding up the refrigerator, that's all.
All right. Keep holding it.
No problem.
All right.
You gotta go make some phone calls or something?
I do.
All right, go ahead.
Gotta go to Beacons. Get someone to move this damn refrigerator.
Okay, I'll just stay right here. So guys, we can't get this refrigerator up the stairs to get into the house. I can't do it. I can't help much. Did my best. Hey everybody.
Rah, rah, rah.
I'm tired, I'm sore, I'm exhausted, I have a headache.
Why are you tired, sore, and exhausted?
Because
I
can't move a freaking refrigerator. Can't do it. And I still have to do dishes, and I have to pack the rest of the boxes, and I'm just too tired and too sore, and I don't want to do a darn thing for the rest of the night.
Good. Well, go watch a movie and chill.
But I gotta do the dishes.
Tomorrow.
No! If I leave them, they get all piled up and get more and more for me to do. You do them for me tonight.
Nope, I'm more tired than you.
Yeah, but I think I hurt my back.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm in pain right now.
Mm-hmm.
So, I'm gonna say good night.
Okay, good night.
Do you have anything to add?
No, I don't.
Okay. Angel, we're gonna say goodbye. We're gonna go ahead and call it an evening.
It's live. There it is.
We're gonna go ahead and call it an evening. We hope you enjoyed a little bit of something. God bless you.
What?
We hope you enjoyed a little bit of something